Welcome, today I am with Huawei MateBook D15 and I will show you how you can change region. So we have to simply go for the settings, then pick time and the language. Next we have to go for the region, and as you can see here we can change our country. So currently it's around Russia, but we can change for example for Poland. And below you can also pick the regional format. So we get English, Russian and Polish. I'm going to stay with the English, but if you want to change you can just select for example the English, for example Denmark. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.